Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:19 p.m. and today is 19th of February 2018. How are you guys? How was your weekend? Did you enjoy it? I thoroughly enjoyed it. And today I was really fresh and recharged to enter into the stock market and did quite a lot of trades. And of course, few of them, when I bought it, I exited believing that Nifty is going to go down. So I did a lot of trade, but still I'm in a profit of about 45,000 rupees right now. I'll show you one after the other. What did I do? So the trade that I did was Apollo Hospital, right? This is what I did. This is its 1 minute graph. Let me make it 15 minutes graph. This is how it was one of my trade even the other day, which was on Friday also. It was my trade, but since Nifty started falling since morning, this trade also fell and fell and fell. It broke its morning range and was in the downtrend. Today, of course, Nifty is falling down, so there is an intrinsic value till which a stock is going to fall. So there was, people found a good opportunity to create position in Apollo Tires today and see how beautiful run up it has given. So I did create, Apollo Hospital, sorry, not tires, Apollo Hospital. I bought Apollo Hospital and I sold it with certain amount of losses. Say I bought it at 1164, sold it at 1158, right? And reason for that was that because suddenly Nifty took a turn. So I really, as my rule, I don't want to travel against Nifty. I don't want to trade in the direction which is opposite to Nifty. So that is the reason I exited. Had I held my position, had I not got scared, I would have probably earned a good profit today. See, the same stock is where right now at 1172, and even it has made a high of pretty much higher values as well. 1174, so good 10 points I would have got. The lot size is about 500, so I would have got 5000. I actually exited this trade with losses, so it's okay. Like if your trades, if you have a little bit of doubt, if your conviction is shaken about, like I prefer to be in the direction of Nifty. So to me, Nifty looked as if it's going to go up. So here it was taking a support, and that is when I exited Apollo Hospitals. But see how beautifully it has gone after that. All right, then I have traded into VEDL, and I think good I exited it because it has broken its morning range in the downward direction. So the moment I saw this happening, I saw it crossing the volumes in the downward direction. I exited my trade because I also felt that Nifty is about to correct more. And when we were at about 10,000, we were somewhere, this was only down by 60 points. I said in case Nifty crosses this support with volumes, it'll at least go 50 points down, and that's what precisely it did go down 50 points, took a support from S2 and bounced back from there a little bit. Right now again Nifty looks in a very vulnerable position. To me, I feel Nifty is still weak. Let's go to its option chain and what's happening. Before refreshing, let's see where is the support 10,300 and where is the target 10,400. Let me refresh and see how the dynamics change. So uh, again, there is not much of change here. That means Nifty definitely, follow is going to follow its trend. The option chain is not contributing much. So the trades that I did in the morning were, I bought VEDL, I bought Apollo Hospital, I bought Sun Pharma. Even Sun Pharma broke its morning range. Like I when I bought it, it broke it in the upward direction, but then it could not sustain itself and it fell like this, right? Even Vedanta fell. Even all the stocks that I had in mind were falling down, right? So only stock which I identified was Apollo Hospital, which was in the uptrend still. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if, as long as your profitable trades are bigger, much bigger than your losing trades, it doesn't matter. So I lost all about, how much is it? 11. I lost 20,000 and I gained 68,000. So in all, my profit is about 47,000. Even such big losses look very small. When your trades are identified well, when you know the right direction, your such huge losses also look small, tiny losses. And so what I'm saying, even, I, if you understand Nifty well, right, your trades will never be wrong. You will always be in the direction of Nifty. On very, very strong indications, I thought of going against Nifty. But as I've been telling you, I failed miserably. You saw my three trades except Apollo Hospital. The other two trades actually went against me, right? Even Apollo Hospital, I exited in loss. So my conclusion of the day is that no matter what, just be in the direction of Nifty. And some of the members were asking me to analyze PNB. So look at PNB. Let's analyze it. Let's see what's happening here. So this is PNB. This was the morning range. Can you see it broke the morning range with volumes? This is a volume. Can you see the big red candle? This showed the volumes, right? And when it crossed the volumes with volumes, it showed, a good amount of, confirmation of the trend. Then after that, it took a support somewhere and went up. Now, second confirmation, where did it come? When it came at this candle, when it experienced a pressure. After that, I said that if this support is broken with volumes, PNB will further go down. The moment this candle was formed, it further went down, right? You can see the beautiful downfall that PNB had. So if your body language actually reflects in the market. How confident are you about the trend? How confident are you about your trade? That reflects in your trading, in your way of trading, right? How confident you are about your trades. So, and that body language comes with time. It doesn't happen overnight. People have to spend time. As I've said again and again, I have spent many years doing nothing, just waiting and watching trades. So still 43,000 rupees, and I have a feeling that now Nifty is taking a good support. I'm just holding for another few minutes because this candle that is forming looks to me under pressure. If it is under pressure and if it further goes down, I'm sure this put that I have taken, which is at 112 right now, should at least touch once again 130, and when it goes to 130, I will exit. I hope. If it does not, I'll still exit in another few minutes. I will exit this trade, right? So market means you have to be in the direction of the trade, right? And something that caught my eye was today Tata Steel. Look at the massive fall of Tata Steel. Tata Steel have been just falling down so massively. So massively it has been falling down. And the reason why Nifty is in such a downtrend, of course, we all know the banking stocks. Banking stocks are under great pressure. Look at SBIN, such a huge pressure. Look at Federal Bank, down. Yes Bank, down. Um, Axis Bank, negative. ICICI Bank, negative. All, the financial sector, entire financial sector is in the downtrend, right? So this basically is pulling down Nifty. And because Nifty is going down, even all other stocks are going down, right? So good time to search for good stocks and hold them with grit. Like in my other portfolio, if you see, I'm down by 5,000 rupees, but I'm not, it's 2% down, but I'm not exiting it. I'm holding my positions because I know the moment Nifty will turn its direction, all these stocks will run and all these stocks will give me a pretty good profit. I'm sure about that. So, uh, this is how it is. Now, today, guys, we have started with our webinar, and I don't know how many of you have joined, how many of you watched my videos, but please, in case you want to be in the market, be in the right direction. And that you can only do when you understand the market. So please go to my website. You still have a chance to join today and tomorrow. You can take, our webinars. We have, really made things comfortable for you, and we have changed all, and we have made it very, very, student friendly. So we have positional trades that is now 30,000 rupees, and even the intraday we have reduced drastically. We made it only 18,000 rupees, and this is our combo pack. Our combo pack also we have reduced so drastically. You can see it, right? So just please use this opportunity, because you will not get it. There are some more announcements slowly going to be coming in place. So use it. This opportunity is slowly going to go away. So if you want to learn, and if you want to earn, and you want to be in the right direction, please, many people have joined this combo course. Please go ahead and take the course, because what we promise with each webinar, that whatever is your investment, we will ensure that you get it back. So you learn about the market, you trade with me in my trading room, and you earn good amount of profit, right? So one trade that I have on my radar, I may enter and I may not enter depending upon the situation. Definitely Apollo Hospital. Another one that I have is Kotak Mahindra Bank, and the next one that I have on my radar is Infosys. Right, Infosys is also on my radar. It looked pretty good to me in the morning, but again, it has had a little fall now. So Infosys, I'm waiting for Arcom to give me a signal for buy, and Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? And Kotak Mahindra Bank. These are my trades which I'm waiting for. And one stock that's doing pretty well in a falling market is also Coal India. Look at the beautiful Coal India trade, right? This could have been, our morning trade today. Like we could have waited for it to break the morning range with volumes. The moment it would have crossed the morning range with volumes, here we could have entered. And this was our target. The first stopover was this particular resistance, right? So anyway, how do we identify such stocks? How do we come to this point? How do we decide that these stocks are going to go down, or these are the ones which will have a momentum today? To understand that, you will have to join my webinar and see. Now my profits are in 50,647. Pretty good, not bad in a falling market. And what is my investment? My investment is, see, in the morning I had 3.12 lakhs. I have just used 87,000 rupees. Right? I've just used 87,000 rupees, my 61.62% profit. This is the magnanimity, if you understand. And I'm telling you, if you really want to be in the market, you just need to know one entity. And what is that entity? Nifty. Just learn Nifty by heart in every dimension of it. You will have never to wait for money to come in your, in your account. This is my profits of 71,000 today on Nifty, right? Had I not made these wrong trades where I lost about 20,000 rupees, I would have had this. Just one single trade would have given me 72,000 rupees profit, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm expecting each of you to please, go for the, course and be in the right direction. It doesn't matter. Market goes up or down. It really doesn't matter. If you know Nifty, money will come in your account. That is one guarantee I can give you. So as you can see from my account, right now I'm positive 50,000 rupees roughly, right? I will exit. I will just see. Before I close, let me just quickly analyze Nifty for you. So see what's happening now. Nifty is trying to hold itself on this support, right? So what I do, usually I go to the smaller time frame, right? I go to the smaller time frame and see what is happening over there. In case the next candle forms below, right now it's 133, let's say at 135. If the candle comes below 10 moving average, then it means Nifty has to go down. And I do plan to have put the 130 price. I'll click it, I will wait for this price to hit. or if I feel it's really falling down nicely, I may increase my target to 145 or so. So I'll just wait and watch. I'm just waiting for this barrier to be broken with volumes, right? When this barrier will be broken with volumes, I will take an entry. I mean, I will just put my order as 140 or 145, and I'm 100% sure. See the positions, it's giving me 56,000 rupees. I'm 100% sure I will be able to accumulate around 60,000 rupees. That's what my, I mean, I'm not that I'm greedy about it, but I'm pretty you know finicky about having a correct trade. Like, I want to see my targets. I want to see my targets being met. What I'm believing about a trade, whether that's happening or not, that is something very I want to see that. So I have certain figure in my mind. I want to see whether my assumption was correct or not, whether my what I'm perceiving out of the market is correct or not. So my perception was 130 of this option, put option, and it did touch 290, 220, 129.90. So ever since, I'm waiting that it again goes to the same point and I will exit. So, not that I have a kind of a ego problem over here, but I have a certain trade setup in my mind. With that, I'm saying that it should go to that point. And if it doesn't go another 10 minutes, I'm going to exit my trade, right? So guys, this is how you can earn money every day. There are proof right in front of your eyes. There's nothing which I hide. There's nothing which I say and do something else. No, I do trade along with you guys. I mean, the members in my webinar, they know it. When I created the position, I bought this put with them only, right? They are witness to it. So anyway, good day. Bye bye. Be in my trade room if you want to be, but you will have to join quickly, because this webinar, this combo pack is just for a few days, and there are other plans also which you will get to hear in few days. But take this opportunity, don't let it go by, and earn money every day. See, do you think, in one day, how much is the recovery that I have, how much money I have generated? Almost like 60,000 rupees. Getting your money back from trading is not going to be a big deal. Just you'll have to be patient and understand the market. You will be able to recover all your money. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting to hear from you guys. I want to see you there in my trading room with me and learning the way I confidently trade. You should also be able to do that. So I'm reaching my target soon. So hopefully I will be exiting it, and you can watch my Hindi video where you will be able to see my profits that I have locked in. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.